Finally! Now I can fly!
Police, don't move! You are under arrest.
I don't think so! Catch me if you can, Cooper!
Time to get him! Activate the net!
Yes, sir.
Drone, take him to jail. Come on, guys. We just received another call.
With this much power, I am unstoppable in the past! Bobby, I can't believe it! You're going with me!
I think it's time to send Bobby back to where he came from.
I can't believe we lost him!
Here he is! Get him!
Finally, Bobby, you are under arrest.
What is he attached to?
I don't know. We'll have to find out. Bobby, what is this flying object you were attached to?
Back to the present, approximately to the same time when we were chasing fog. Right, fly towards the downtown area. I need your help.
Roger that.
See a flying car with 2 jet engines. That's our guy.
A flying car?
No time to explain, Ryder.
Roger that.
Cooper, do you read me? We've remotely disabled Madjet's time-traveling machine. He can't travel to the past or the future anymore. We can't let him escape again.
Thanks for the update, Powers.
Ah, they've disabled my time machine!
Ryder, he is too fast. I'm not sure how to catch him.
I think I know what to do. Try to distract him.
Well, Cooper! You just can't catch me. See you later!
Well, Madjet, it looks like Cooper took you to a time when technology didn't exist.
Well done, Cooper. You and Ryder are real city heroes.
Thank you.
My name is Cooper, and I am a real city hero.